Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. This video is related to IBM. Welcome back to our channel. This video is related to EY mass hiring officially announced and one direct test opportunity, and Deloitte is doing another mass opportunity for junior analyst role. This is the breaking news coming from these companies. But please go and watch IBM and IBM new phase opportunity, and there is Scalar Tech Mahindra and Scalar and IBM sending the assessment mail. If you didn't watch this video yet, go and apply from here first IBM and for Scalar, and then watch this video. And please hit the apply button, do subscribe our channel, like this video. So this is the mass opportunity coming from EY. Now who is eligible? Because there is a different degree and branches students are eligible, but the location is Bangalore. And if you see here that this is enable, means it does not mean that this will enable for 5 to 6 days. No, only 1 or 2 days. Maybe tomorrow is the last date. Please apply it as soon as possible. Now understand the qualification. The BCom, MCom, MBA Finance is eligible. 60% in current degree with no active backlog is the criteria. And one of the main thing you have to understand that this is the very easiest job ever, because this is an internship. They will provide you training or internship. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे accounting knowledge, communication, interpersonal skills, all interpersonal skill is mandatory. And MS Excel and MS Office suite, all suite like MS Office के जितने suite होते हैं, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Outlook, these are mandatory to add in resume and web-based application also. Now new software tool, ability to learn, ये जितनी चीजें हैं ये सब तुम्हारी यहाँ से यहाँ तक, और ये लास्ट वाला ये पूरी इंटरपर्सनल स्किल है. जस्ट ओनली दिस पार्ट इज somehow technical part. Please apply it as soon as possible, because if you see here you have to use the Excel also, but if you read here you did not get to see any Excel word. ये होता है, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें. Just read this for the clarification and responsibilities part है वो. So apply it as soon as possible. Now what batches is eligible? This is an internship. 26, 27, 28 batches eligible. If you click on apply, you will redirect to this page. Now ये फॉर्म फिल करने के बाद हमें लॉग इन करना है क्रिएट अकाउंट के बाद. Then fill form as soon as possible and fill it very carefully. Don't miss or don't do any mistake by when filling form. So apply it as soon as possible. If you have any doubt while filling form, then comment down. Now biggest off-campus drive ever announced, which is direct test opportunity. Outlook Labs Node backend developer role is there. 10-12 LP is the package. Hybrid location and all degree, all branches is eligible. Now what branch, what degree is eligible? Basically all यहाँ पे लिखा है. It does not mean that BCom is eligible. It means BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT, BSc, BCA, all computer science engineering branches or degrees are eligible. Now 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 batches eligible. Male, female only is eligible. For 26 NOC is mandatory. This is not a कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ठीक है, ले लेना. 6 month of duration, 30 to 35 के per month, and it can extended up to 1 year for candidate who don't perform well. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छी बात है यार, कि तुम्हें अगर परफॉर्म वेल नहीं कर रहे हो तो 1 साल तक का खींच दिया जाएगा, जिसमें इतनी ट्रेनिंग मिल रही. तो ये कंपनी तो मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ कि ऐसा तुमको सपोर्ट मिल रहा हो कंपनी की तरफ से, ठीक है. सो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. नोट जस्ट टाइप स्क्रिप्ट, एडवांस्ड डीएस, इंटरमीडिएट डीएस, बेसिक डीएस, तीनों ऑप्शन दिए यार. जो आता है वो कीवर्ड मेंशन करो. अगर डीएस बेसिक आता है ना तो सिर्फ डीएस नहीं, बेसिक डीएस लिखो. इंटरमीडिएट आता है, इफ यू नो इंटरमीडिएट लेवल ऑफ डीएस, देन पुट दिस डोमेन एज इट इज, कॉपी फ्रॉम हियर. And React MySQL, add it as soon as possible, because you have to show your updated resume. There is no shortlisting on the first round, but you have to show your resume in an interview if you shortlist for interview. Assessment is there, which is offline, direct test opportunity, resume evaluation. Then coding assessment means it will be assignment, और यहाँ पे 1-2 क्वेश्चन होंगे. Then only one technical interview which is virtual. Resume evaluation is also virtual. Coding assignment is also virtual, and HR discussion is also virtual. Just complete this assessment test, which is located in Bangalore or Chennai. So please apply it. So please apply it as soon as possible. Book your slot as soon as possible. But please check if you are getting this line that you are eligible for this job. Then hit the apply button as soon as possible. Apply it. Update your resume first. Next biggest opportunity coming from Deloitte. Now if you applied for EY, then watch this video. Means watch this hiring. This is junior analyst role, and here you see that BBA, BCom, BSc, BCA, BA, BBM degrees eligible, and Bangalore, Hyderabad, 2 location is there. Now again MS Excel, what I told you, if you applied for this opportunity, then understand this also. MS Excel and all interpersonal skill is mandatory, which is also written here. Same as it is, वही qualification, वही criteria और वही responsibilities required skill होने वाली है. And 0 to 3 year of hands-on experience is here. मतलब तुम यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे like 25, 24, 23, 22, 21 batches eligible for this. But for this only pursuing candidate is eligible and 25 is also eligible. ठीक है, but for this 25 up to 21 up to 25 batches eligible, but you have to add these domain, which is investigation, research, written communication, MS Excel के office suite like PowerPoint, which I also told you for EY MS Office. जस्ट लाइक दिस, यहाँ पर भी वही रेज्यूमे यूज कर सकते हो, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, सेम रेज्यूमे यूज कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जस्ट रीड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज पार्ट, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी, जूनियर एनालिस्ट का रोल होने वाला है. सो दिस इज फॉर 26, दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर 26, मतलब बता रहा हूँ मैं. सो वन मोर टाइम आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट if you are pursuing degree, ठीक है, you are eligible in this intern, you are eligible for this also because 26 batches eligible. And if you are graduated, then you are eligible for Deloitte, and 25 is also eligible for EY. And you can see here that 21, 22 graduate, 23, 24, 25 is eligible. So I already told you so I told you hiring for all genre like graduates, pursuing candidates, or freshers, or experienced candidates also. So for this, please hit the apply button and please like this video, to subscribe our channel, and please go and watch these both recent videos, and please do join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel also for more updates, and please share my videos. Thanks for watching.